it's useless.
So what to do?
I know how to get out. You look for a little button on the back seat. Yes, that's it. Press and hold it to fold the rear seats down. Then you climb in.
Okay.
There is an emergency escape switch on the trunk door panel. This is it. Take off the cover. Yes, there is a white knob inside. Turn it up. This way you can open the trunk for emergency escape.
That's fucking amazing. How did you know that?
This is just one of the emergency switches in the car. Some can save money, some can save lives. I'll tell you. Look, the car can't shift gears no matter what. Don't rush to call the rescue vehicle. Let's take off this dust cover. There is a yellow button inside. That's it. Press it with car key. This makes it easy to shift into gear without having to apply the brakes. Also, if you encounter brake failure while driving, don't panic. Let's pull up the electronic handbrake switch with our hands. Don't let go. The vehicle will come to a steady stop. After using the screen for a long time, it will become stuck or even freeze. Don't rush to the repair shop. Press and hold the menu key and the power key at the same time without releasing them. The screen will be forced to restart. After restarting, the screen is as smooth as a new car. The car key is out of power and the door cannot be opened. Don't worry. Find this emergency switch under the door handle. Look, it's this little hole. Take out the mechanical key and insert it into the small hole. Pry upward and the lock core inside will leak out. Then insert the key into the lock cylinder and twist it slightly. The door can be opened. It's really practical, right? Follow me to make a friend who knows cars.